this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. So if you're using the internet, you can use the search browser in here. So let's go up to the top and go to the right, scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says Applications. So you can see Applications right here. Select it and then go to the Silk browser. Now when we're in here, there's a bunch of different customizations that we can do. But we want to go down to Advanced Options. Then go to the searching on the top and switch it from Microsoft Bing over to Google right here and select this. Now we can back out and go to the main settings menu here and then go over to the left and then go on down, and we want to search for the internet browser. Now when we're making searches, we're going to be using Google search on here, so it'll be very simple. A lot more effective for searching. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.